welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an office decor haul. Now it's not for my office, it's actually for my client's office, but I'm going to share with you some of the things that we have for her space. So the theme for her office is a pale pink, kind of a pale blush pink, gold and white, keeping it really girly and chic and glam and everything. And I can already tell basically from everything that we have that it's going to be so beautiful. So I'm so excited about install day just to see it all come together. But I am going to share with you some of the items that we have, you know, just for some inspiration purposes for your space or your office as well. So I'm going to start by showing you the accent pieces that we picked up for the office. Now most of these are going to go on her 2 shelving units. I ordered 2 shelving units and they're like gold and glass. But of course I won't have those in this haul. However, if I do a office tour video, then you will see a lot of the larger pieces because I did have to order those online. So these are more of like the accent pieces and the pictures and everything that I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing that I have is this gorgeous gold and white vase. So beautiful. And I thought this would be really pretty just to style on the shelf. This actually came from Ross. The next thing I picked up are these pink vases here. So I'm going to sit them pretty much side by side like this. But they are so gorgeous. Pick these up at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has a beautiful, beautiful blush pink section where you can really find like a lot of cute items if you know this is your color. They actually have it pretty color coded in there now, but yeah, all of the blush pink accents, I had to pick some up for her space. So again, I've got these 2 vases right here, really, really pretty vases. I picked up this little gold geometrical shape, so I'm pretty much gonna probably sit this on top of some accent books. Not accent books, well yeah, coffee table books or whatever that I'm gonna be putting on the shelving unit, and just sit this on top of it. But as you see, it is a pretty square geometrical shape for a coffee table. If you don't have an office, this would be good to put on a coffee table. And I fell in love with this globe when I saw it. I was like, this is perfect. So this globe right here, really pretty. It's blush pink and gold, and it has basically a map of the world. And it actually turns, so this is going to be really, really nice on her bookcase shelf as well. And so pretty, so pretty. Look at this. Love it, love it, love it. I also got this little ball right here. It's just an accent ball. It's a blush pink spear, I guess you can call it a spear. This came from Hobby Lobby as well. And just as an organizer, because every office space needs an organizer, I picked up this right here, which is pretty much for her to put pens, pencils, notepads, things and stuff in here. And it is mirrored around the bottom and it spins on top of a Lazy Susan. So it's really, really pretty and functional at the same time, which is what you want in your office space. You want glam, you want pretty, but you also want it to basically have all the things that you need in an office space and be cute at the same time. Found this cute little notebook right here. It's just a blush pink and gold notebook. I think I ran into this at the at-home store. Yeah, this was at the at-home store, along with this little gold tray right here to go on her desk to keep like file papers and stuff. But it's also cute and pretty at the same time. So this came from the at-home store as well. So these 2 things together, so cute. We have this beautiful, beautiful blush pink floral plant. And I love these plants that have the little gel at the bottom, and then it also has you know, the leaves kind of, well not the leaves, the stems stuck inside of the gel at the bottom of it. And the beautiful like clear vase, it looks really, really nice and clean and just so pretty and glam. So we've got this as an accent piece to sit on her desk. Picked up this little love sign right here just as an extra accent piece to go on the shelving unit. And this was actually, I think, in the Valentine's Day section at Hobby Lobby, but it's really, really cute. Also have a tray. This is just a cute little gold tray. You'll see where I place this if I do an office tour, but I plan on putting this actually on top of her ottoman. Really cute and glam. So how gorgeous is this throw? OMG, I love this throw. It is half faux fur, but it also has little chevron patterns and other things in the works of it. But I think this is going to be so beautiful on the ottoman. It's that pale pink color that I was telling you guys about, but it's so soft and it's just so freaking pretty. I think I got this at Marshall's. This came from Marshall's. And then to match that, for her window treatments are these pale pink curtains right here to go on the window. So I was really glad that I was able to find some in store that was the right color and I didn't have to order any online. These two right here are gonna be so pretty together. Isn't that gorgeous? So gorgeous. I just love how soft it is. Like, it's just really soft and feminine. So I also got just a little pink tray storage basket. Wanted it to be cute. It's the pale pink color as well, but she can put things inside of here to just store in her office space as well. Got a gold lamp. This lamp right here is by Threshold, came from Target, but it's 2-part, so it has the room light and then it has like a desk light, but it's gold. This is really gorgeous. I want to say it was about 60 bucks. Oh, and it's heavy. It's really heavy. Oh, all right, so let's move into artwork. So first I picked up this picture here. It is just white and it has the gold lips on it, white and gold. Also picked up this small picture here. It says Coffee Mascara Hustle. Really cute, and it's trimmed in gold, but the writing is in blush pink and black. I also have this picture right here. Pink and white picture is really pretty. I think it's gorgeous, so pretty. I also have this picture right here. It says find what sets your soul on fire. It's just white and blush pink. Really cute, really cute. And also have this saying right here. It's kind of like a whitewashed wood, but it says hello gorgeous. This would be cute in her office. And then this white ledge shelf to put on the collage wall, because all these pictures are gonna go on a collage wall and make basically like a collage or whatever. So I'm gonna put them on a few on top of the wall ledge and then kind of have this maybe above it or whatever, but we'll see once I get into the groove. But I thought those would be really cute. So my most favorite picture of all that we got to go in this space, when I saw it, I immediately knew that this was gonna be the one, the statement piece in there. So ooh, it's really big. Oh, it's really big, but this is it. This is it right here. I probably will do a long zoom over, but as you guys can see, is this not gorgeous? Don't you see the shades of, you see the shades of pink and gold and white, and it is just a beautiful artwork, and it's really big too, so you can put it in a space on the wall by itself and you don't really need anything else to go with it. But is that not gorgeous? Love this. Love this. So some of the items that aren't in the video, I have her like a gold curtain rod to hang her curtains up. The pieces that I ordered online were the 2 wall shelves that I was mentioning to you, which are gold and they're gonna have glass shelves. And then this beautiful long white tufted ottoman is a rectangular ottoman, and it's like tufted on all sides of it. And then her white desk, yeah, her desk is white and it has like gold handles on it. And then I also got her a huge office rug. It's a really big, white, fluffy, furry rug. It's kind of off-white. So thank you all so much for watching this office decor haul video. Hopefully I will get some footage so that I can share an office tour with you guys, because she has allowed for me to share and everything. But everything is so pretty. Like, I am in love with this. Like, if I'm in love with it when I like see it and purchase it, then I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, daisies.